Ah, here we are again, back to Big Tandy Derryberry YouTube channel. I think we can ride there. Oh yeah. Got a lot of storms in the area, whatnot. Had one boy get killed. Driving down the road, tree fell on him. Bad ordeal. Good boy. Real good boy. Hate to see that. Thoughts and prayers with his family. And, ain't nobody told you today you love you, mean it. And Jesus loves you way more than I do. And that old boy's heart's right, I know it was. He spoke to him quite a bit there. And I know where he's at today. That's a good thing. We're going to put a little feed out. We've got right at, what was it they poured out this morning? I think it was 3.05 of rain. That's the past 2 days. We're well at the 5-inch mark this week. Rains we've had. I mean, it's crazy, crazy. Trying to get these cows down here. It's the cave! It's the cave! It's the cave! Once they get here, they'll be tickled. Come on, babies! Ah, woo! Ah, woo, babies! Come on! Oh, sun shining today, oh. Too blessed to be depressed. The way we like it, you know. Get these old cows fed up here and get a real good eyeball on them. We was really blessed, didn't have no trees down yet that I have found. And all this happened probably about, I'm going to say about 3 miles down the road, down Long Mountain Community or whatnot. Real bad ordeal, man. Real bad. Golly. I tell you, awful. Awful. Guys! Guys! Ah, woo! Ah, woo, babies! Come on, girls! Sakay! Sakay! Tennessee's been hit hard there last night. It was tornadoes everywhere, it seemed like. And Alabama. Everywhere. They're going everywhere. Come on, baby! Yeah! 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 Come on, girls! Woo! Ah, woo, babies! Come on! Come on, babies! Go! Y'all get a count with me. How about that? Come on, babies! Been up there on top of the knob there, chewing that green grass. You know, chilling out. Don't hit my truck now. Come on. Come on, babies! Come on, babies! Don't kick me either. Right by it every time. Sorry, I don't mean to jar you like that. Here comes that big thing, bless your heart. Hello, guys. How you guys? They come up to you and check you out, bless your hearts. Oh, let's see if I can pick you up there without spilling you. Hello, pretty heifer. Comes the rest of them. Just chilling like Mo Dillon. See if I can get them. Come here, girls. Come here. Come on. Come on. Hey, bully boy. Come on. Right here. All right, just pace it up. Hello, steer. Golly, you growed up, ain't you? Yes, sir. You have growed up quite a bit. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Right here. Right here. Right there. There you go. All right. As long as one gets a hold of it, we should be all right. The rest of them will follow. I have had them just to walk off and leave it. Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, found it. Good deal. Good deal. Shoot, yeah, buddy. Hello, steer. Hey, you, buddy. Y'all, come on. That little heifer there's done some growing, ain't she? I always do like a herd I can get out and walk in. As long as the feed was on the ground, the other ones wasn't too bad, but once the feed left, man, they try their best to stomp at you and snort at you and throw dirt in the air and everything else, but you know. Well, maybe it'll do some drying up here for too much. But I ain't going to complain about the rain. We'll miss it in August. That's a God honest truth. And it's really made these buttercups pop up. I can tell you that right now. There's your herd today. All accounted for. Good deal. I laid eyes on them there yesterday, and after all that storm and stuff run through, that happened. I think it's about 10:30, something like that in the morning. And if they don't call it a tornado, I'll be surprised, because you can see the path. It went down through there. Just a pretty sad day in old Claiborne County here. I lost a real good gentleman, I always thought. He young boy. Hate it, babe. Prayers and thoughts for the family, and everybody else has been affected with it. That severe weather comes along, whatnot, and you're not sure of it. Y'all need to subscribe there to Ryan Hall Y'all. Now I'm telling you, that man has saved a lot of lives. It proved it last night too as well. He goes live, and over 2 million people at times is watching his screen there and whatnot, or his show, or whatever, his channel, but however you want to say it. But it's the only bit of information I can give you. It starts getting bad around your area and whatnot, and hollering tornadoes and all that stuff, and check him out, Ryan Hall Y'all on YouTube. The man needs a medal. I'm telling you, he's saved a lot of people's lives. He's doing good for his community and his country, everywhere, you know, in the United States, you know. But, that's all I got for you today. Guess we'll sign off here. And Jeremy, we're still thinking about you, brother. Double J Homestead Farms there, or Double J Farms Homestead. I can't remember how it is. I'm sorry if I messed that up. He's on YouTube. Check him out. Good feather, raising some fine feathers. And really enjoy watching his content. If you like his farming, he does pretty good on it. He's just like me, a whole hobby farmer, just trying to make it. All right, I love you and I mean it. See if I can find this here out button. There's the donkeys. I think it's right in here somewhere. Where's that out button? Wait a minute. Oh wait, oh, wait. Oh.